So good day everyone, I am here to report the example of useful and reliable web sources. So first, the AFA e-newsletter, or Alzheimer's Foundations of America newsletter. It means these newsletters are designed to be practical resources for families affected by Alzheimer's, often focusing on caregiving strategies, early detections, and the latest in dementia care research. So, ganing AFA e-newsletter, manig ka ng website siya nga iyang mga content or kanang iyang mga gipang state didto sa iyang websites is about sa kanang mga oldies nga naay nakakuan og dementia. So the second is the American Memory. American Memory, a pioneering Library of Congress digital initiative, offers millions of digital items documenting American history, including photographs, audio, films, and documents. An example ani is the Civil War photographs by Matthew Brady, presidential papers kang Lincoln, Washington, early Edison films, and the original manuscript of the Gettysburg Address. So the third one is the Bartleby.com Great Books Online, a collection of free ebooks including fictions, non-fictions, references, and verses. So aganing Bartleby.com Great Books Online, ang iyang function is searchable as iyang nga database, nagka-contain og kanang mga daghang authors, nadto mga biographies, and kay reference materials such as encyclopedias and dictionaries. Mura ang kaning Bartleby.com Great Books Online is website ni siya nga murag kinaunhang gamiton sa mga researchers and students. And the next is Chronicling America. Search and view pages from American newspapers from 1880 to 1922. Pasabot ani is kanang monig mag-allow sa mga users nga mag-search didto nga websites or maka-download og kanang full text newspapers nga naka-publish didto. So the next one is the cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a free collection of ebooks from every plus additional reports and documents to help better understand, prevent, and take action against this growing concern. So it means it is the use of digital devices like phones, computers, social media, or apps. So kaning cyberbullying is a common naman din siya sa atong society karon. Samot na sa social media kaning mga about someone nga ga-post ug kanang kintay ilang ipakawawan ag kanang ilang kapwa nga like friend nila nga through social media. So next, the drug information websites. Man is an online resource that provides current, critically examined relevant data about medications, including their uses, side effects, dosages, and interactions. So kani nga website is kanang murag bale kanang way nga kanang medication information kanang about sa healthcare sa mga drug users. So next, the Global Gateway. World Culture and Resources from the Library of Congress. Global Gateway is a collaborative portal aimed at making the Library of Congress vast international digital collections along with collections from international partners freely available to the public. Next, the Google Books. It is a comprehensive digital database and search engine that allows users to search the full text of millions of scanned books and magazines. It enables users to preview, read, and sometimes download books. So kanang Google Books is kanang makita na siya, i-search ni siya sa website mismo, makita nimo adtong mga daghang kanang magazines, full text nga kanang makita nimo kanang mga like scan books nga mga magazines. Next is the googlescholar.com. Familiar naman dyan natin ng Google Scholar kay nagamit din nato since pag grade 12 katong sa research kanang mga mag-search sa mga article like ingana. Next one is the history sites with primary documents. AmDocs documents for the study of American history, while the Avalon Project documents in law, history, and diplomacy. Yale Law School. Sites with primary documents are digital or physical repositories such as archives, libraries, and museums providing direct access to original, raw materials created during the period under study, including letters, diaries, maps, photographs, and government records. So next, the Illinois Digital Archives. The Illinois State Library, working with libraries, museums, and historical societies in Illinois provides these collections of materials related to Illinois' history. It serves as a centralized, searchable platform for materials related to Illinois' history and culture, focusing on items that are often in the public domain. So next, the Internet Archive, a digital library of Internet sites and other cultural artifacts in digital form. Its mission is to provide universal access to all knowledge by preserving digital content and offering free, public access to websites, books, audio, video, and software. So next is the Internet Archive for currently digitized resources. Kanang ang purpose ani is para mag-create og kanang digital copies para magdugay and ma-preserve ang iyang websites. The next one is the Internet Public Library, offering curated collections of resources categorized into areas such as resources by subject, newspapers and magazines, and special collections for children and teens. It also provided an Ask a Librarian service, where users could submit reference questions answered by volunteer librarians and library science students. OPL2, a merger of Librarians Internet Index and Internet Public Library. Special entries may include the literary criticisms page which can be found after clicking on the Special Collections link. Next is the Librarians Internet Index. Making of America, a digital library of primary sources in America's social history. Next one is Maps, from the University of Texas at Austin Collection. The Perry Castaneda Library Map Collection at the University of Texas at Austin is an extensive repository that includes over 250,000 maps, covering various historical and thematic contexts. Many of these maps have been scanned and are available online, with a significant portion being public domain. The collection serves as a valuable resource for students, researchers, and the public, offering access to diverse cartographic materials for academic and historical purposes. So next is the Nation Master, a massive central data source and a handy way to graphically compare nations. It is a vast compilation of data from such sources as the CIA World Factbook, UN, and OECD. It provides a wide range of economic and demographic indicators across 300 industry verticals, including agriculture, consumer goods, and ICT. The database is composed of data from trustworthy sources such as national statistic agencies, governments, and international organizations, making it a valuable resource for tracking and analyzing statistics. So the next one is the nursing sites. The AHRQ National Guidelines Clearinghouse, or PubMed, was an initiative aimed at providing access to objective clinical practice guidelines. It was created in partnership with the American Medical Association and the American Association of Health Plans. So the next is the Project Gutenberg, the first and largest single collection of free electronic books with currently over 200,000 ebooks available. The next one is the SMOOC, literature, U.S. history, and poetry information written primarily by PhD and master students from top universities like Stanford, Berkeley, Harvard, and Yale. Next is the State Master, a unique statistical database which allows you to research and compare a multitude of different data on U.S. states using various primary sources such as the U.S. Census Bureau, the FBI, and the National Center for Educational Statistics. It uses visualization technology like pie charts, maps, graphs, and scatter plots to provide data. So the last one is the virtual reference, selective web sources compiled by the Library of Congress. Virtual reference is a library service that allows users to receive information assistance remotely through digital channels such as chat, email, video conferencing, or text messaging. So, ug moingon tag virtual reference man ni kanang example ani is kanang online class. So, magamit man dito kanang Zoom. Mao po ni isa ka example sa virtual reference. And that's all. Thank you.